What if you were accused of running a red light, only to realize that it wasn't you, or even your car? Today, we're diving into an unusual series of cases where a simple red light violation led to surprising revelations, courtroom twists, and even a few laughs. From mistaken car identities to unexpected recall summonses, these moments give us a peek into how justice is served in sometimes unexpected ways. Let's jump in and see just how far one red light ticket can go. One of the standout cases involves Andrea Chen, whose mother was accused of a red light violation. But when Andrea and her mother appeared in court, they insisted there had been a mistake. It turns out that Andrea's mother wasn't driving the car that ran the light. As Judge Caprio delved into the details, it became clear that there was indeed an error. With careful questioning and a fair mind, he exonerated Andrea's mother, proving once again that everyone deserves the chance to be heard fully before judgment is passed. This case was about more than just a traffic violation. It was a reminder that errors happen and the court is there to find the truth. In another twisty situation, confusion arose over a similar red light violation due to an error in the car's plate number. The person accused had no idea why they were being summoned for a violation they hadn't committed, and they were understandably frustrated. But Judge Caprio's patience and skill at sorting through the details helped uncover the mistake. This small error might have gone uncorrected in many other courts, but Judge Caprio made sure the right decision was made, clearing the innocent party of all charges. And speaking of car errors, there was another unusual incident involving a car dealership. A summons had been issued for a red light violation on a vehicle registered to the dealership itself. Imagine the confusion. As it turned out, the dealership had sent a recall summons for a car they owned, but the violation mistakenly ended up being tied to another driver's name. Judge Caprio, true to his meticulous approach, carefully reviewed the evidence and ensured that the mix-up was sorted out. It was a classic case of mistaken identity in the world of traffic violations, reminding everyone in the courtroom to double-check the facts before jumping to conclusions. Now, not all courtroom moments are so serious. Some are downright hilarious. In one memorable case, Judge Caprio shared a story about a local legend named Tuppo Toffee, the milkman. Tup got his nickname because of a funny incident on his milk route. His face was so cold one morning that he couldn't properly ask for a cup of coffee, and it came out as Tuppa Toffee instead. This story, shared with the court and viewers, added a light-hearted moment that lifted spirits and showed Judge Caprio's sense of humor. And despite his nickname, Tup was known for one thing above all. He never missed a day delivering milk, no matter how cold it got. It's these personal touches that make Judge Caprio's courtroom so relatable and endearing. Another case with a recall summons led to confusion and some frustration, as the person receiving the summons hadn't actually committed any violation. The recall was due to an error from the car's manufacturer, which had somehow tied a recall notice to a traffic summons. When the accused presented their story, Judge Caprio carefully considered all the factors, taking the time to ensure no innocent party was wrongly penalized. It's this fairness that keeps people coming back to his courtroom, both in person and through the TV show, Caught in Providence. What makes these moments even more impactful is Judge Caprio's way of connecting with his audience, whether in the courtroom or through the screen. With every case, he shows an understanding of the human side of each situation, making every individual feel respected and heard. His gentle approach transforms what could be just another day in court into a memorable experience, and the audience feels that connection too. These moments go beyond the legal system, reaching out to people everywhere who may be facing struggles or misunderstandings of their own. And that's why Caught in Providence is more than just a show. While viewers initially tune in for interesting cases and unusual scenarios, they stay because of the kindness, respect, and sometimes humor that fills Judge Caprio's courtroom. It's a platform for viral moments that bring humanity to justice, showing that the law isn't only about punishments, it's about making sure people are treated with fairness and understanding. Whether it's sorting out a traffic ticket, showing compassion for a grieving individual, or simply sharing a laugh with the audience, Judge Caprio's Courtroom is a place where fairness and empathy reign. So next time you find yourself wondering about the human side of justice, remember these stories. They're reminders that no matter the case, everyone deserves a chance to be heard, understood, and treated with dignity. Whether it's a confused driver, a mistaken identity, or a simple clerical error, Judge Caprio's approach reminds us that justice, at its best, is always fair and compassionate. If you enjoyed hearing about these surprising and heartwarming cases, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on more inspiring stories from Judge Caprio's Courtroom. Let us know in the comments which case touched you the most, or if you've ever had a similar experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.